Hey guys, Chris Vix here. Nah, I'm just playing. Hey, what is up YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Welcome to my channel. This is my brand new channel about cars. I picked up this 350Z. If you didn't watch the last video, this is the cheapest 350Z I could find. Probably one of the cheapest 350Zs in the world. Picked it up for only 1,700 bucks. It's a banger deal. Car run and drives good, shifts smoothly. It's a 6-speed manual. It's a track edition. Did some research. It's basically the base model, but it's called the track edition. I heard it's the best model to drift in, so that's pretty sick. But yeah, I'll leave the link down below if you guys didn't see the video of me buying this $1,700 350Z and driving it back home. Go check it out. But in today's video, we'll be trying to fix something that I don't know if it's really an issue, but let me show you guys what I got. So I picked up a can of this Seafoam. It's a motor treatment. It helps to clean injectors, carbs. It helps it quiets noisy lifters, that's why I bought this. A couple days after I bought it, I started up and it kind of heard slightly like a ticking noise, which I'm guessing it's a lifter. So I'm hoping this would kind of fix it. I'm still trying to decide if I'm really going to keep this car or not, seeing if it's actually worth it, because I'm obviously looking to do a lot of mods, cosmetically and performance-wise, to this car. It is my first Z. I wanted a 50Z ever since I was a kid. Playing it in the old Forza games like Forza Motorsports 3 and stuff. Just always wanted one. Really liked the look of them. And then as I got older, in my current stage, one of my dream cars, if not definitely my most dream car, is a 370Z. I love those cars, man. They have such a mean look to them, and you can just do so much to them and make them look incredible. Same as the 50Zs, but man, 70Zs are sexy. So yeah, I got this stuff. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys ever had any issues like that with a 350Z or a G35, if they have like the same engines and whatnot. If you guys ever tried this and if it helped, any ticking noise, noisy lifters, anything like that, I'm gonna go ahead and do it, see if that works. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Let's give it a start her up real quick, and I'll spill some of the baby in there. Show you guys the noise real quick. Hey guys, I never got to clean it yet. It's been like a few days or so since I bought it. I bought some good waxes and some chemical guys, soaps and stuff to clean it up. I was gonna call a guy to do it, but I just kind of want to do it myself. Probably make a video of it. It's been a couple days since I actually started it. We're gonna give it a start. A little wobble.
What?
Got the e-brake on. Neutral. Other thing I researched, if you guys kind of hear how it kind of takes a little bit to start, I've searched that it's a very common issue with the Zs. I've seen a lot of people have to replace them, and it's a very easy fix. Thankfully, it's just some type of sensor. I forgot what kind of sensor was it, but some kind of sensor. I've seen on YouTube it's very easy to fix. I could do it myself, so that's good. But let's let it warm up a little bit, see if we hear any ticking noise. We'll do a couple of revs and whatnot. A nice little upgraded touchscreen stereo here. Got the RGB over there in action. Let's go see if we can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. Mostly hear it on this side. I'll go ahead and pop the engine open. You hear it better. So If this stuff fixes this lifter noise, I'll most likely keep this car since I got it cheap. But if it doesn't help, I'm not really trying to deal with it. Probably gonna need some serious work if so. It's already been driven a lot. The engine bay is filthy. I'm excited to actually do a comparison before and after on this engine bay of this car. You guys can hear. It doesn't sound too good. The engine drive is really good, don't get me wrong. It doesn't sound too bad. Like I said, I just noticed the ticking noise. And I'm kind of concerned, you know. I don't want the car to go bad on me. It's not something that I can really deal with, so. I'm kind of looking for a Z that's ready to go. I did get this one really cheap. But like I said, if this stuff don't work, hopefully it does, fingers crossed. I'm just going to go ahead and try to resell this car, just try to get my money back, I guess. Probably look for a different one. Maybe even a G35, G30. I've been looking into G37. I actually missed out on one today. There was one was posted for like $6,000. Probably could have get it cheaper in person, but it was like 08, 09 coupe G37 with like 80-ish thousand miles. And it was a 6-speed manual. I think that was a crazy. They looked like in really good condition for like $6,000. Probably could have get it cheap in person too, but I'm gonna keep an eye out on this channel. I'm not sure. Either looking to get another 350Z or G35 or G37. One of those cars. And in the future, we're gonna save up to get a 370Z. That's the most car we're looking to get. We'll get it soon. So let me go ahead and shut it off. Pour some in the engine here. Let that flow through the oil. Let it mix in there, and I believe we're supposed to drive the car for like 120 miles. I'm probably gonna drive for like 100 miles or so and go get the oil changed and see if that helps, hopefully. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and shut the car off and put some of the stuff in there. Okay guys, so I think I gotta put like half of it in there. Let's see. At the gas, here's a filter for a Seafoam in your fuel tank to clean and lubricate your entire fuel system. It works. Okay, so it says you can put it inside your fuel tank, I guess, to clean the fuel system out, and you can also put it in your crankcase, so on. But we're gonna go ahead and put it into the crankcase. I'm pretty sure that's what's gonna help it, since it's doing a lifter noise. So we're gonna mix it with the oil. We're gonna drive it in there for about maybe 100 miles or somewhere near to see if it gets any quieter. Then we'll go ahead and change the oil tomorrow or the day after tomorrow or so, whenever we put some miles on it. It's really tight. Okay guys, I don't know why, but the cap on here was stuck on like a bitch. I put all my force, hurting my hand, would not come off. So the way I did it, I put a rag over it. I tried even do it with the rag on my hand, so my hand won't hurt so bad. I still couldn't do it, so I got this with the rag, so I won't damage the cap. Just plied it on there and I twisted as hard as I can, and then it came loose. I don't know why was it on there so tight, but damn, it must have like not been open since forever. I don't know, but it seems kind of dry. Seems like there's not much in there. Definitely smells like burn, kind of. And I know the G35s and Zs burn a lot of oil. I know the oil is very dirty. This guy never changed the oil since a while. He told me he just like topped it off himself, but you guys can see it is filthy. It just wipes pure black on the rag. So definitely needs the oil change regardless, but yeah, we're just gonna wait until we put this stuff in there, let it run for a while, then we're gonna go ahead and change the oil. So we'll go ahead and put some of that in there. We'll put like half. Pop that open. Like that. Try to put half in here, like so. So we're just gonna go ahead and add half. We're almost there, and if it doesn't work, we'll just put all of it maybe. See if it does anything. I don't think it will harm. I mean, it's made to clean everything out and make it running good, so I wouldn't think it would hurt anything. Put a splash more. We'll stop there. This stuff smells kind of strong, not going to lie. So I'll close this back up. And put these stuff in. Put the cap back on. Supposed to make a snapping noise or what, but whatever. Let me know what you guys think about the audio. I'm recording off a pretty cheap, affordable. I forgot the name of it. Not on top of my head. But for the price range, I only paid like 50 bucks or so off Amazon, and I think it's a really good camera. I made a review about it on my gaming channel. I originally started off a gaming channel on YouTube. If you guys want to check that out, I'll leave the link down in the description. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of the picture and the voice quality for the price range. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty sweet for the price. It's my first like GoPro action camera, so I'm liking it. Can't really beat it for the price. GoPros is like 200 bucks, so yeah. And I really want to keep this car. It's gonna be kind of hard to find another, you know, good price one like this. That's why I really want to get rid of it. I mean, it's running and driving good, and everything is working. It shifts smoothly. And the radio, AC, everything works. And I just love the gauges on the Z's. See how fast you're going up there and stuff. It's pretty sweet. If I do keep it, or if I buy another one, I want to get the gauges installed right here, like the blue ones or so. I'm gonna give this a start. And then just let it run for a bit. A good 10 minutes, and I'll take it for a quick test drive. Yeah, man, so far, let me know what you guys think of the Z. Do you guys think it's worth keeping? Because the miles are high. Pretty much the only downside now, just clicking noise. When I first test drove it, I test drove it a couple of weeks before I bought it. I didn't hear the noise. It was running and driving good. And then when I bought it, I didn't hear the ticking noise either. Running and driving good. When I drove back home just fine, I bought it. It just like a day or two days later or so. Let me know what you guys think though. I just try to resell it. Try to find a better one. Try to get a G35, G37. I try to find another 50Z. I just try to save up for a 70Z. I would like something just for some content for now. And just work my way up to a 70Z, you know. The ticking noise is a bit loud. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Kind of sound like it's quietting it down. It's coming back up a bit. So we're gonna let it sit there for a good 10 minutes. I'll take it for a quick test drive. Take like a 10-minute test drive or so, just shift some gears, let the oil flow a bit, and then tomorrow we'll put some more miles on it. But so far, I think there's 2 or 3 owners on this car, and obviously wasn't really taken care of the best. I mean, look how filthy it is. The only good size about it, you could tell it wasn't really abused so much because it's stock. There's no work done to it, but people still abuse even stock cars, you know. So guys, we're gonna let this run, see if it gets any quieter, and I'll see you guys when we take the test drive. It's been sitting for like nearly 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and give it some revs. Can't really tell. I think it's getting a little quieter. Let's close ahead and try to take it for a drive. It's about to get dark, so. Personally, I don't see it doing anything. If anything, it kind of sounds a little worse, which is concerning. So we're gonna take it for a quick drive. Probably won't be able to see much because it's really dark. I need to give me one of those head straps, whatever you want to call it. E-brake off, guess what we can see. Push down, hold it right, reverse. No, that would suck. And the runs and drives beautiful, shifts very smoothly. Like it sounds good while driving, just while the parked, you can hear that massive ticking noise. Whatever the heck that is. For out of the stick shift, I was pressing brake, no clutch. It's kind of hard to shift gears and record at the same time. Yeah, man, I mean, I would like to keep it. Then again, I'd like to buy something, you know, a little better. Something with lower miles. Something that was, you know, more babied, kind of, more kept up good in shape. Person that took care of it. Something that I can keep and actually rely on modding it and stuff. It's just the price I got this for, you know, it's surprising. You know, you find a car like this, it's kind of a one-time thing. You know, it could come again, but, you know, it's 50-50. When you get a deal like this, like, you just don't want to let it go, you know? That's why, like I've been thinking about selling it, but I've been also searching online to see what I can find before I do decide to sell it, because I don't want to sell it and then I'm not getting nothing, you know? I've been looking at 50Zs a lot since I bought this one, and to be real with you, I can't find any for a decent price that's actually worth it. But they all want like 7-8 grand. You can find some for like 6 grand, but like salvage titles and whatnot. Runs and drives beautiful. There's nothing I can say. Because I was running and driving good, but ever since that ticking noise happened, I'm like, I don't know, bro. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I mean, shit's really good. It's running and driving good. Stock exhaust sounds pretty decent too. I'm not going too high. You guys probably can't see shit. So I'm just trying to drive it just for a bit tonight. Just try to get that mixed with the engine oil. And driving, I do not hear that ticking noise at all, so I'm hoping when I park it, I'm not gonna hear it. But we'll see. Spin the tires a bit just now. Thinking my headlights are off like an idiot. Yes, they were. I think I seen somebody looking at me kind of funny. No wonder why they're looking at me. It sounds really, really good. I heard the 0304, which is I have the 04 track package. I heard these ones make the most torque. And they're the best for drifting. That's what I heard. keep it, guys. I just don't know. This car red lines at like 6,500. I've been looking for a good car for a while. Just a fun JDM car that I could just, build just little by little, kind of cheap, like a 350Z, 370Z is like my dream. Yeah, something in that category, like a 350Z or G35 is what I've been kind of focused on to get, because you can find them for like a reasonable price, not too bad. Probably the cheapest out of all the cars I've been looking for, but I'm looking for an RX-8, 350Z, G35 or G37. Yeah, those are the main cars I've been looking for, to be honest. I found a sweet RX-8, like the cleanest one I ever seen, to be honest. Yeah, like I was saying, I found an RX-8, a 2008 RX-8, all red. Step up the car with the red interior, like red and black interior, and it was a 6-speed manual. And the car was just super clean, and the best thing about it only has like, I think 69,000 miles, and they say it's original miles. And it's up in Bakersfield. It's a little over an hour drive from me. I'm gonna go check it out. It's probably gonna be sold by tomorrow though. But yeah, dude, it's posted for like $5,000, and the car is just super clean. It's a 2008, so it's a newer one. And it's just super clean, man. Clean title. 2008, like 69 original 1,000 miles. And it has that nice red and black sporty interior, black and red steering wheel, black and red seats, and the door panels. It's sweet. But I just noticed it sounds quiet. Do you hear that, boys? It's so dark out here, I'm so sorry. My light bulbs, I got these in like, not even a year ago. It was like October or November. And these lights died out pretty quickly. They like run really, really low, so I have to replace those. But yeah, it's extremely dark out here. I'm sorry about that, guys. Let's go in the car and see if I could put some lights on and record. I'm gonna pop the hood just to make sure I'm not hearing that noise. And then we'll do another check tomorrow. And it looks like that quick drive helped a lot, so I'm stoked. Look at that, guys. Hopefully this fixed it. We're gonna start it up tomorrow and go for a longer drive tomorrow, cruise around town. That sounds good. What do you guys think? It's dark as shit out here, I know. In California time, and it's like 9 o'clock right now, so it just got dark. But yeah, I was having kind of second thoughts. I don't know if it would fix it, because it sounded like it was getting louder and acting up, but I think that was working. The way it was idling and working like that, I think that was actually making it work. But as you guys can see, I do not hear it. It sounds normal. I am stoked. Okay. I'm gonna go inside the car. There's lights on there, and I'll talk to you guys real quick. Hopefully you guys can see me with these lights, because we still got the OEM nasty ass halogen yellow lights. It looks like shit. But yeah, guys, as you guys can see, that I don't know if the video's gonna pick it up, but I'm gonna go edit the video tonight, and I guess we'll find out. You guys let me know in the comment section if you guys can hear it just fine, and if you guys know these issues, and if you guys have these issues with these cars, and if you guys ever tried this method. But that ticking noise was loud. This was actually the loudest I ever heard it. Yesterday it wasn't that loud, and when I put the Seafoam in there, it actually seemed like it was getting louder. And then the idle was kind of acting up. Should I do that? I don't know. I don't know if that's normal for Z's or what, but when I idle, and you guys seen it in the previous, I'll just show it to you guys again. But when I accelerate, the RPMs kind of like go there, then it drops to 0, then picks back up. I don't know about these cars. I'm a big fan of them, but I just never had one. I never even test drove one. First time I test drove one is when I was looking to buy this one. So everything is new to me. I don't really know. I don't know what to look for in these cars. I did have a G35, a 05 G35 in the past. And to me, these cars are pretty similar. Correct me if I'm wrong. Leave me a comment down in the comment section and let me know. But yeah, let me know if you guys tried this method before, if you guys ever tried Seafoam, and if you guys lift noise went away, ticking noise. To me, it looks like it's working a lot. So go ahead and let me know in the comment section. But so far it sounds amazing. It's running and driving really good. How you doing, Luis? I'm doing okay. Yeah. Yeah, you guys let me know what you guys thought about this video. If you guys found it helpful, I hope that, I hope none of you guys are having this issue, but if you guys are, and if you guys came across this video, I hope that it helped out. Because so far, like I said, it looks like it's helping for me, and I'm excited. I'm stoked. Hopefully it's a permanent fix, and I guess we'll go ahead and check it out tomorrow. We'll start it, we'll go take it for a test drive. Hopefully we don't hear no lifter, no ticking noise. If so, maybe we'll add a little more. We'll drive it, then we'll get the oil change, because the oil is nasty in this car, which most likely why it's doing that noise. I've probably never had an oil change in ages, especially because it's a more high of a mileage vehicle. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Much appreciated. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. This is a new channel, so I'm pretty sure you guys are not subscribed, but please subscribe. It'll mean a lot. Much more content to come if we are keeping this car. And go ahead and let me know. I'll probably go by your guys' thoughts, because I don't know what to look for about these cars. So if you guys tell me what's a smart idea, and if you guys think this car is not worth the keep, again, because I don't really know what to look for, go ahead and let me know, and I guess we'll make a decision by you guys helping me out. I appreciate that. But yeah, please subscribe, guys. Plenty of more content to come if we're keeping this car. There's gonna be a lot of content, but no matter what, even if we sell it, I'm still gonna make some content while I have it. And then with the money I sell it, I'm probably gonna get something else. And let me know down in the comment section what you guys think I should get next. Should I find another 50Z? Should I get a G35, G37, or RX-8? Or if you guys know any ideas that are good, fun, decent fast cars that are fun to work on and you could build them pretty good, then go ahead and let me know, because yeah, I guess all the help would be much appreciated. But yeah, everything's seeming good, guys. So yeah, tomorrow I'm probably gonna go ahead and just, like I said, take it for a drive tomorrow, and I guess I'm gonna start cleaning it up. Like I said, I bought some stuff for it the other day. I bought some good chemical guys, soaps and stuff like that, some clay bars and waxes and buff it. Paint's a little rough, so I'm gonna try my best to see how much I can get the paint back to life myself. But if we do keep it, I am looking to get a cheap paint job or a wrap. I'm looking to do a blue, kind of like a Smurf blue type of thing. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. If you guys know any good colors, or if you guys think that color would be cool. But yeah, guys, I don't want to make this video any longer. I guess that would be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave all your comments down below. Like this video if you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Turn notification bells on so you guys can be notified for next video, so you guys won't miss it. Do not go anywhere. Stay tuned. Stay posted. Thank you guys so much. Subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's get it. Z-Fam, baby.